This is Biotronix Ginha chiropractic tool, 1200 Newton. You can see these are the attachments. This is carry bag and this is the device. This is the display. As I switch off the same and switch on the same, you can see this is power. These are the buttons to increase or decrease the power. You can see currently it is 800 Newton. If I want to decrease the same, I can decrease in the multiple of 50. Right now 650, 600, 590 and so on. So I can go up to 1200 here. From 50 Newton to 1200 in the multiple of 50. And this is the decreasing button and this is the increasing button for power. Now for the speed, I can choose